Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A51, and let me show you how to activate unknown sources on the following device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you should go to biometrics and security. And now scroll down a bit. Here you'll notice install unknown apps, just click here. And if you would like to activate installation apps from unknown sources, just click on some particular source, for example Google Chrome, and smoothly allow installation apps from this source. Just click here to do it, and as you can see from now on, Google Chrome is active, so you just gave permission to install apps downloaded through Google Chrome. You can do it for any application that only you would like to give this permission to. So actually that would be all. All you have to do is to click on allow from this source, and then you will activate unknown sources. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.